Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete, foolproof method to add music to your Google Slides presentations. Whether you want to make your slides more dynamic, engaging, or just a little more fun, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a neat trick to make the music play seamlessly without showing the video itself. Access Google Slides. First, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You can either create a brand new presentation or open an existing one you want to enhance with music. Insert video for music. Here's the key trick. Google Slides doesn't let you directly upload audio files, so we'll use a workaround by adding music through a video file. Click on Insert in the top menu. Choose Video from the dropdown. Now you'll see three options. Search YouTube by URL and Google Drive. Add your music via Google Drive. The most effective method is using Google Drive. Upload your music as a video file to Google Drive. This could be a music video or a video you've created with just the audio track. Go to the Google Drive tab in the video menu. Browse and select the video with your music. Once selected, it will appear on your slide. Configure playback. Click on the video to open format options on the right side. Here, you can customize how your music plays. Play automatically, and the music starts as soon as the slide appears. On click, the music plays only when you click the video. To make the video invisible during your presentation, resize it to a tiny size, drag it off the visible slide area. This way, your audience hears the music without seeing the video itself. Finally, present your slide to make sure the music plays exactly how you want. Adjust the playback settings if needed, and repeat for other slides if you want background music throughout your presentation. And that's it. Now you know how to add music to your Google Slides presentations in a clean, professional way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an easy tech trick like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.